Voices of Hope was started to bring us closer to the patients whose lives inspire our work. It gets our whole team together to hear directly from clients, patients, and industry leaders about their journeys.
I think Voices of Hope, it helps to foster that mission. It gives us that moment to pause, reflect, and connect with the why of what we're doing, who we're serving at the end of the day.
Hearing those stories really kind of ties together all the different departments that work together here at Forge. I think that it's a really great initiative that really gives our work meaning, really shows us the impact of that work and how far we have to go still.
By hearing their experience and hearing that we're having an impact and we're moving the science forward, you hear both hope, but you also hear progress.
You do see a change, right? And it looks a little different and it feels different knowing that you're supporting somebody or a cause that is making a real change.
Our team doesn't just exist within the doors of Forge, and we're actually part of a much bigger network of people, not only scientists and clinicians, but regulators and especially patients and their families.
They are our friends and neighbors, and you don't think about that every day. And seeing that and hearing it, it makes you so grateful to work at a company that is helping families like that.
We work with some foundations whose, unfortunately, their children have passed away, but they carry on the torch of treating this disease and going after a cure.
It's amazing to see that they're the biggest champions for finding that cure, and seeing them get results is it's incredibly moving, and it's incredibly motivating.
It changes how I show up at work, I think, because I know that I'm not just doing an assay in the lab or writing a report for a certain nameless client. Like, it all does come together in a big picture way at the end to help a patient at the end of the day.
We all know what we're doing and why we're doing it. What I think Voices of Hope does is it removes a lot of the abstract. It gives a real story to the real work that's being performed.